Morning children. Now discuss about second chapter polynomials and factorization. So polynomials mean here for example 2x square plus 2x plus 1. This is one of the algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression variable is x. The variable degree or power is positive integer 2x square. So this is the positive integer. So 2x, the power of x is 1. This is also positive integer. Next to 2y cube, 2y square minus 3y plus 1. So in this example, variable is y. So variable power is positive integer. Here 3, second term is 2, third term is 1. So we have to all positive integers. So then it is called polynomial. An algebraic expression in which have variables involved have only non-negative integer power is called polynomial. So power is always we can take only positive integers. Then it is called polynomials. For example, 2x to the power of minus 3, 2x square plus 2x minus 1. Here x power is a negative integer. So this is not polynomial. Okay. Next 1 by x cube minus 2x square plus 1. So this is written as x to the power of minus 3. A to the power of 1 by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of minus n. So this is also 1 by x cube can be written as x to the power of minus 3. Next 2x square plus 1. So x to the power of minus 3 plus 2x square plus 1. Here variable power is negative. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. Next coefficients of each and every variable. So for example, first example, the coefficient of x square is 2. The coefficient of x square is 2. Next, the coefficient of x is 2. Okay. That is the coefficients. Okay. Next, minus x to the power of minus 3 plus 2x square plus 1. Here coefficient of minus x cube 1, 2x square coefficient is 2. Okay. Now next concept is degree of polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So first of all, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is one of the polynomial. From this polynomial we have to 3 terms are there. Okay. Each and first term degree is 2, second term degree is 1, third term degree is 0. Why? Because 1 into x to the power of 0 equal to 1. X to the power of 0 value 1. So 1 into 1 1. So constant term power is always 0. So here highest power is 2. So the degree of the given polynomial is 2. So the degree of the polynomial means the highest degree of the its variable power is called degree of the polynomial. In this example, degree of polynomial is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial equal to 2. You take another example, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Here highest power variable term is first term. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. The degree of the polynomial is 3. Next example, 3x square y square minus 2xy plus 3x minus 2. Here two variables are there. 3x square y square minus 2xy minus 3x minus 2. Four terms from this variable, from this algebraic expression we have four terms are there. First term we have two variables. So first term degree is, so we have two variables are there. So we can add powers 2 plus 2. So for 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Next term degree is 1 plus 1 2. Next term degree is 1. Next term degree is 0. So highest degree is 4 of the variable term. So highest power of the variable term is 4. So degree of the polynomial is, degree of the polynomial, degree of the polynomial is 4. Okay. Polynomials are according to the degree. We have so many types of polynomials are there. First, 0 of the polynomial. First one is 0 of the polynomial. Here does not have terms 0. So degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Here not defined. Okay. Why? Because 0 into x to the power of 10 also 0. Next to x to the power of 0 into 0 is also 0. So the degree of the 0 not defined. Next constant. Next constant polynomial. Second one is, first one is 0 polynomial and second one is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. We have only constant terms are there. -2, 3, 5, etc. So here degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Why? Because 5, for example, 5 into x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 value is 1. So 5 into 1, 5. So 5 can be written as x to the power of 0. So degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Next, third one, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay. In a linear polynomial, for example, 2x plus 1 or 3y plus 1. So variable power is 1, then that is called linear polynomial. So degree is 1. Degree is 1. Then the polynomial is linear polynomial. Okay, the examples of linear polynomial is 2x plus 1, 3y plus 1, etc. Next, fourth one, the power is 2 or degree is 2, then that is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. The polynomial, the degree is 2, then that is called quadratic polynomial. 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Here power is 2. The highest degree is 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial. Next, fifth one, power is 3. Cubic polynomial. Power is 3. Then that is called cubic polynomial. 3x, for example, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So then it is called cubic polynomial. The power or degree is 3. Then it is called cubic polynomial. Next, and same way, nth degree polynomial. Nth degree polynomial means here we can written as this is nth degree polynomial. Okay, so the general form of the nth degree we can write a to the power of a1 or a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 up to last term is we have only constant term, that is an. Before constant term we have an minus 1 x to the power of 1. So this is the general term or general form of the nth degree polynomial. a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2. Then last term is constant term. In this example, each and every term the degree is decreasing. Here n, next term n minus 1, next term n minus 2, finally last term or constant term we have to only constant term are there. Okay, so here before constant term an minus x to the power of 1 plus an. Okay, this is the general term or nth term of the polynomial. a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2. Last term an. Last term is an. Okay, so this is the nth term or nth degree polynomial. Next, the types of polynomials according to the number of terms, based on number of terms. So we have to only one term, then that is called monomial. Okay, we have only one term in a algebraic expression or in a polynomial. We have only one term, then it is called monomial. For example, 2x, we have to only one terms. Okay, 2x or 3y etc. are called monomial. Next, we have two terms, then it is called binomial. So how many terms? 2x square plus 2 or 2x plus 2. So two terms are there, then it is called binomial. How many terms? Here only one terms. Okay, 2x square, 2x and 2x square. Next to 2x square plus 1. We have two terms. Next, 3 terms, then that is called trinomial. How many terms are there? 3 terms. 3x square plus 2x minus 5. Here 3 terms are there, so then it is called trinomial. In a trinomial, how many terms are there? 3 terms. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, next, more than 3. How many terms are there? More than 3 terms. More than 3 terms, then that is called multinomial. So we have to more than 3 terms are there. 2x power 4, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 5. Here more than 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that is called multinomial. Here also same process. 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So more than 4 terms are there, then it is called multinomial. Okay. Now exercise number 1. The first bit, find the degree of each of the given polynomial. So first problem, x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 equal to 3. Here highest degree of variable term is x to the power of 5. So degree is degree is 5. So here x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 plus 3. Highest power is 5. So degree of given polynomial is 5. Next x square plus x minus 5. Here 3 terms are there. So highest power is called degree of the degree is 2. Next, here constant term is there. So every constant term degree is always 0. Why? Because so here a to the power of 0 equal to 1 and same way x to the power of 0 equal to 1. So 5 can be written as 5 to the power of 5 into x to the power of 0. So 5 into 1 that equal to 5. So 5 can be written as 5 into x to the power of 0. So degree of in this polynomial is 0. So degree is 0. So every constant term degree is always 0. Next x to the 3 into x to the power of 6 plus 6 into y cube minus 7. Here two variables are there. So we can take highest power is 6. So degree of given polynomial is 6. Next fifth problem 4 minus y square. Here variable is y power 2. So degree of given polynomial is 2. Next 5t minus 3. So here variable is t power 1. So degree of given polynomial is 1. Okay. So this is the first bit. Now next second bit. Which are the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? So first problem 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Here we have to only one variable, that is x. So this is a polynomial. Why? Because in the variable power is non-negative integer. So 3x square minus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial in one variable. Next second problem x square minus root 2. So here also the variable is x. The variable power is positive integer. So x square minus root 2 is a polynomial and in one variable. Next third one p square minus 3p minus q. Here p and q are two variables. So this does not have one variable. So is a not polynomial in one variable. Is a not polynomial in one variable. Next fourth one y plus 2 by minus y. This is written as y plus denominator we can written as 2 to the power of y to the power of minus 1. So this is the negative exponent. So given expression is not polynomial. Y plus 2y minus 1 is a not polynomial. Is a not polynomial. Okay, here exponent is a non-negative integer, only negative integer. Next to 5 root x plus x root 5. Here x is a power is or exponent is non-integer. This is only fraction or rationalizing number. So this is can be written as 5x to the power of 1 by 2 x into root 5. So here variable power is rational number, does not integer, does not positive integer. So 5 into root x plus x into root 5 is a not polynomial. Next last one, x to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100. Here how many variables are there? Two variables are there, x and y. So this is also not polynomial, is a not polynomial. Okay, this is second bit. Next, now third problem. Write the coefficients of x cube in each of the following expressions. So first problem, x cube plus x plus 1. So coefficient of x cube. Here 1 into x cube x cube. So coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Next to second problem, my 2 minus x cube plus x square. So minus 1 into x cube minus x cube. So coefficient of x cube value minus 1. So coefficient of x cube is minus 1. Next third problem, root 2 into x cube plus 5. So coefficient of x cube value is root 2. So coefficient of x cube is root 2. Next fourth problem, 2x cube plus 5. Here x cube coefficient is 2. So coefficient of x cube is 2. Next fifth problem, 5 by 2 x cube plus x. So coefficient of x cube is 5 by 2. Okay, coefficient of x cube is 5 by 2. Next sixth one, minus 2 by 3 x cube. So x cube coefficient is minus 2 by 3. So coefficient of x cube is minus 2 by 3. Next seventh one, 2x square plus 5. Here there is no x cube term. So the coefficient of x cube is 0. Okay, given expression does not have x cube term. So the coefficient of x cube is 0. Coefficient of x cube is 0. Okay. Coefficient of x cube is 0. Next, fourth problem. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now first problem, 5x square plus x minus 7. So the degree of polynomial is 2. So degree is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Here degree is 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. Next, x minus x cube. Here highest term of degree is 3. Degree is 3. Hence it is cubic polynomial. Hence it is cubic polynomial. Okay. Next, third one, x square plus x plus 4. Here highest power is 2. So degree is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next, fourth one, x minus 1. Here the degree of polynomial is 1. Degree is 1. Then this is quadratic linear polynomial. Degree is 1. Given polynomial is linear polynomial. Next, fifth one, 3p. Here we have to only one term. The variable power is 1. So degree of polynomial is 1. So this is also linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Next, last one, pi r square. Here variable is r. The power of r is 2. So degree is 2. Then given expression is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. Pi r square. Degree is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Okay. End of this class. Thank you, children.